Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off autoplay on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off autoplay on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us at the bottom right just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button over there and this kind of interface will appear. Again, will be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings at the top right and you can see the fourth option where it says the autoplay. Tap on autoplay and you'll land over here. Now in order to turn off the autoplay on YouTube, tap on the toggle icon which is blue at the right side of mobile phone / tablet. Tap on that toggle icon and it will turn off. With that being done, guys, your autoplay on YouTube will also be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.